Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'll be giving you a brief description of what GitHub is. What is GitHub? GitHub basically is a web-based Git repository hosting service. So it's a web-based website where you can upload your Git repositories. It has a graphical interface that enables you to navigate through your own repositories. It also allows others to navigate your repositories, and you can also navigate other people's repositories. GitHub makes it easy for collaboration, so it allows you to collaborate with repositories that were created by others. GitHub has both desktop and mobile integration, so you can use it on a desktop and also on a mobile device. GitHub provides bug tracking features, so it enables you to track bug changes and any other stuff relating to bugs. It also has features where you can manage your task. So it allows you to manage various tasks that you have. GitHub basically has the largest host of source code in the world. There are over 18 million users on GitHub, and it has over 40 million repositories. It also allows for wiki for all projects. A wiki, kind of like Wikipedia. A wiki basically allows anyone who's got access or permission within the community to edit and add to the content. So that's basically what GitHub is in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.